Thank you.
Hey guys, Nick Miller today from Mark's Supply Company to have for you a 2018 Toro Dingo TX1000 wide track. This machine has 592 hours on it. Very good running working machine. We've put a brand new CID 42-inch 42-inch bucket with this machine. It is standard Toro Dingo mini skid steer quick attach. We have serviced this machine. We've had the tracks off, inspected all the bottom rollers. Everything there is in good condition. The machine runs and works very good. Tracks are going to be about 55 to 60%. Mechanically, very good machine, typical normal scratches and scrapes, that kind of thing. We're going to start here underneath the engine compartment, and we're going to take you completely around this machine. So, under the hood, it's going to be powered by a Kubota D1305 3-cylinder diesel engine. Starts and runs excellent. Does not have any abnormal smoke, noise, blow-by, anything of that nature. We've changed all the filters. MSC stands for Mark's Supply Company. We went ahead and done that, and that included hydraulic, air, fuel, and engine oil have all been changed. Go ahead and latch that. Up front, the sheet metal in this unit is very nice. The engine shields are all very nice. Nothing's bent. Auxiliary hydraulics for running attachments. Standard 2-pin mini skid loader quick attach. Toro Dingo friendly, obviously. Or standard interface plate. Both boom cylinder guards are on there for his servicing. Both of those are there and present. A lot of those are always missing. Back here, the switch was bad for the magnetic lock for the auxiliary hydraulics. We did fix and replace that. We're going to take you up here and show you the controls. These do have the pilot style control, 594 hours on a working meter. You're going to have your auxiliaries, throttle, key switch, joystick loader control. You're going to have your fuel tank up here, park brake. Down here, I'm going to show you real quick, serial plate. Braden, there you go. We're going to fire this machine up, run it around, show it does everything it's supposed to do. Here we go. You need attachments for your mini loader. We do stock a lot of stuff. We are the Northeast CID dealer and distributor. We do keep buckets, forks, grapples here in stock. We'll show you here real quick. Simply going to flip your levers. Standard interface mini loader attach. Guys, there you have it. Good running TX1000. If you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Wide track machine. Very good running working machine. If you got any questions, it is serviced and ready to go to work. 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. If you have any questions, please give us a call. Again, I'm Nick Miller, 814-658-3066. As always, have a great day.